Hello friends, this is Shivam Dubey from English Kingdom, Kidgan, Prayagraj. We are here to announce a new batch for LT grade GIC, and we would like to share you some information regarding this batch with the timing, duration, and special features, the way you can join, mode of teaching, and many more things to which we can help you groom yourself to make yourself confident in your preparation. And some points are highlighted already here on the board. And that starts with the point. The first point is starting here, the licentiate teachers, which we call in short LT grade as a vacancy from GIC. Expecting date of possible expecting timing of this vacancy in Dubey there in the last of August or can be early September as expected timing of the test is there. The batch that we are starting it from 14th July tomorrow, and the course will run for 6 months, and that's simply from July to January batch will run, but in a special condition. Special condition is if the exam is going to be held early, we will reschedule the classes late sooner than the 6th. Okay. When you go with our batch time as a class time, we simply see is timed for 3 hours 7:30. Sorry, the 4:30 to 7:30, 3 hours daily classes to receive, and through this class you will find almost 1.5 hour for literature and 1.5 hour for language. Many classes here. And the second, when we move, we find that the main thing which you need to emphasize or need to focus uh, simply is this, and that is you have to download app of English King. And yes, no doubt, those who are old, they already know that there are two apps of English Kingdom. The first one that we had, you don't need to download that from Play Store, no longer in use. You have to download this new one. How to distinguish between the two? It's a very simple. Old app had all capital letters. You don't need that. And the new app starts with capital, but other letters are small ones. So you can download it from the Play Store. Why you need to download it? Because that will give you the chance to purchase the course. How can you purchase this course? Free. On the app of English Kingdom, you visit a store, and there you will find all important be followed, and simply you can buy from there. So to purchase the course, you don't need to be in any kind of confusion. Simply go to app English Kingdom, visit the store option, the app, and find integrate course and purchase. So simple. After purchasing the course, what you have to do, you will have to send the slip of success purchase, and that would be on our WhatsApp number. You see our WhatsApp number 6394389272, or you can send us on our Telegram number, and that is 93954207. So there you will find paid group on both, and only those have taken admissions in the class will be made the member of the group, and they will receive links of the classes. And this is how you will find yourself in a comfortable zone. When it comes to the way of teaching, how it would be taught, the simple thing is about it. Yeah, while I can, online class would be there, but this online class is going to be the primary. The, this time, the class mode is primarily online. It is online class primarily. We ask students to take admissions in online. We don't have any difference in the class whether it is online or offline. But yes, we have the facilities for offline as well, especially for those students that don't find themselves comfortable with the online classes. They can come here. Class they will be given. So, primarily, this is online class, but offline class is also flavor in a condition for students, those who do not find themselves flavor. And along with the class, you will see PDF notes would be there, and that would be shared in the paid group on Telegram or WhatsApp, as I have told you already. And there would be Sunday test. One thing you should be very sure of: Sunday test is a not test series. It could be twice test. In week we will study something. Sunday that would be test. So there would be online tests on Sunday according to topics. The class course that we will cover especially English, both language and literature. Remember, we are not including in our class CS portion because sometimes you guys expect also included, but it's very obvious, it's very clear. In our class, we have included a GS portion. Apart from that, you may go with the class, you may come. We have that question session as well to help our students. And you know that in your exams, you have the two things or two parts in your exam parts. Your paper, you simply go with the first part, and that is first part would be your subject. Suppose you studying English, so it's going to be your first part, and the second part would be general studies. In the first part, it will have 120, remember, 120 questions will be from your subject. Your subject you're learning, English, and there would be 30 questions from GS studies. Well, there are some rumors as well. This time, maybe LT grade would parts as exam can be as your pre and mains exams. Don't worry, we will be there to see. Uh, at the present, class will run according to the previous exam. So there are some students who are a little bit worried. They don't need to be worried at all because there is anything going to change. Will be it would be for everyone, not for at least one. So you don't have to be panicked at all. You have to keep these things. One more thing that you have to keep in your mind and you don't find, and that is a negative mark. Yeah, in this exam, you will find negative marking. So you will have to be very watchful while attempting your classes. Generally, we are very much accustomed to papers types in our TDT and P, and there is no negative mark. So we don't know we attempt 125 questions. Here in our LT grade, we have to be a little bit watchful, have to be careful. See, there should be no uh, extra efforts or no extra attempts. over the questions. So that can be fatal, that can be dangerous. So in our classes, we will have these features, and I told you there would be some points that you need to discussing with us, and no doubt we will be very glad to help you. And now you can simply, as I told you, visit the app and go and put. After once the course is almost done, start the test series and then let you know. Right, we are running the TGT and PGT test series. PGT test series has been done and the TGT test series is running. So that is for everyone. Anyone can go and visit. And on the app English Kingdom, you try find lots of material, particular topics, wise questions will be also there. You can find the questions from grammar, you can find the questions from app, you can find the questions from literary terms, literary history, based on the authors from TDT and PDT. And now, very soon we will have the LG grade questions also. In that app, you have phone that can help you make your even your approach. So I think the information that we had, yes, for any query, you can mail us on our English Kingdom, okay, at the rate of email.com. Here you can mail us or any further information if you want. No doubt the last contact number that we have shown you, you can call on them as well. And the one more you can note down, one number 8127388482 would be also there in your help, and any kind of information you want to take, you may contact us, you may visit us as well. And the institute is very opposite to old Vishwamit Theatre, right, Vaidar Misala, and is in Netanagar, Cleveland. Simply you can visit here, and we will be very glad to help you. That's all from me. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep working. Thank you very much.